everyone, welcome to Innate Arts. Today I am creating a unique mandala silhouette by combining detailed patterns with graceful profile. Before recording, I carefully prepared the basic pencil outline to ensure the composition was balanced. I always begin by drawing the center first because they provide a balanced foundation. Each circle becomes a canvas for different mandala patterns, allowing the design to grow naturally. Go layer by layer. Finish one complete ring or circle of pattern before moving outward to the next ring. Focus on your breathing and let the process be a calming experience. Tracing small details and symmetrical lines trains your brain to concentrate, and designing patterns helps to unlock new artistic ideas and problem solving skills. The repetitive rhythm of drawing circles lowers anxiety and calms the nervous system. Mandala is used in art therapy to safely process hidden feelings, griefs, and trauma without words. Mandala art reminds us that patience creates beauty. Every line may seem small, but together they become something meaningful. The black silhouette in the center creates a beautiful contrast with the intricate mandalas. Sometimes leaving a simple solid shape allows the surroundings details to shine even more. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this artwork, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves. Thank you.